How to change currency on Alibaba. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open the Alibaba.com application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and log in to your Alibaba account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find this kind of interface in your screen. From your screen, go ahead and tap on My Alibaba at the bottom right corner. Inside your Alibaba, you want to go ahead and tap on a settings like icon at the top right corner, and inside settings you will be able to find currency. Tap onto it, and inside this currency section you'll find different currencies available. Go ahead and select the one that you prefer, and once it is done, head back to your home screen, and just like so, the currency will now get changed. That is simply how you can change currency on Alibaba. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.